After getting certification or training in the tech industry, most people struggle to get a job because they lack practical experience and hands-on skills. TechCheck is bridging this gap. We have created hundreds of hands-on projects from working professionals that can count as real-life experiences for you in different areas of tech, like cloud, software development, product, and data. What makes TechCheck unique? You can assign projects to yourself from beginner to expert level, or even get projects assigned to you by mentors. You can collaborate with other developers and work as a team on real-life projects by getting invited or inviting others to work with you. You have access to live support groups whenever you face challenges completing any project, or you can even send a direct message to builders for one-on-one guidance. You can document your project solution, submit, and get it approved by a mentor. You can share your project documentation on LinkedIn or any other professional platform. This is your chance. Don't waste any time. Go sign up on our website at www.techcheck.com.